So here's my background layer and this is my text layer. Now to add an outline to this text, double click on the text layer and the layer style window open. Here click on stroke, and now first of all let's change outline or stroke color. So click on this color box and select a different color. And now using this size scale, you can change outline or stroke size just like so. And here position, you can select outside, inside or center. In my case, I'm selecting outside. And you can also change blending mode from here. And you can also change opacity of outline color. And then click on OK, and that's it.